Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can activate Lebara SIM card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access lebara.com and get their official website. So right over here, first of all, the very first thing would be for you to come over here and see the Lebara SIM is available in this 9 countries it is available. So first of all, you have to make sure from what country you are and where you would like to activate. So if you are simply from France and would like to activate there, you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on that flag of yours and change your language. I'll change it to English for now. And right over here you do have this option of register a SIM. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you will find this kind of interface where you simply have to enter your Lebara number you wish to register, right? Received by SMS when using the SIM card for the first time, which you have received. And then here in this section you're gonna enter the SIM card number on the packaging and also receiving by SMS. For that, you can see if you scroll down, there is a reference as well for the last 4 digit that you require. You're gonna enter them and again scroll down to the bottom and tap on this continue, and you are good to go. You will be able to activate, aka register your SIM. Let's go back again. I want to go to lebara.com. So let's say you are from United Kingdom, right? Again, go tap on the flag of yours, and here in this section you see we do not have that register SIM option, right? For this, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will be able to see explore more section. You can see this just joined us, activate your SIM. If you tap on this, here in this article you can see if you have a smartphone, your SIM will activate once you put it in your phone and switch it on. If you have a featured phone, dial 5588 and your SIM card will be activated when you hear the automated voice. So this is just informed here. Once you insert the SIM, it will automatically activate. So if you're not being able to activate that way, simply go check out the lebara.com homepage and choose your country and see the method. Otherwise it will be activated right away. So this is the way for you to solve your problem. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.